Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students. How are you all? In the previous video, we had discussed exercise 2.3. Now, we will continue with exercise 2.4. Question 1 and question 2. Now, we will start comparing numbers. We have studied about comparing numbers in previous chapter. चैप्टर 1 में हमने 2 डिजिट नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना सीखा था. अब हम 3 डिजिट नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना सीखेंगे. अ नंबर दैट हैज़ मोर डिजिट्स इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दैन द अदर नंबर. जिस नंबर में ज़्यादा डिजिट्स होते हैं वह नंबर हमेशा दूसरे नंबर से बड़ा होता है. कंपेयर 42 एंड 243. 42 is 2-digit number and 243 is 3-digit number. So 243 is greater than 42 when the numbers of digits in both the numbers are same. जब दोनों नंबर में सेम डिजिट हो तो हम सबसे पहले हंड्रेड्स प्लेस देखते हैं. कंपेयर 863 एंड 683. हम पहले 100 प्लेस देखेंगे. ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देयर इज़ 863 एंड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड देयर इज़ 683. हम सबसे पहले हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे देखेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 8 है और राइट हैंड साइड पे 6 है. सो 8 is greater than 6. 863 is greater than 683. Third, when the numbers have same digits at 100 place. 421 and 493. जब हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे सेम नंबर होते हैं तो हम टेंस की प्लेस के नंबर देखते हैं. Then compare the digits at tens place. Here on left hand side there is 493 and on right hand side there is 421. Here at the hundreds place both the numbers are same. So we will come to the tens place. On left hand side there is 9 and on right hand side there is 2. So 9 is greater than 2. So 493 is greater than 421. Fourth, when the numbers have same digits at the hundreds and tens place. 358 and 352. Then compare the digits at ones place. जब हंड्रेड्स और टेंस की प्लेस पे सेम नंबर होते हैं तो हम वंस प्लेस देखते हैं. यहाँ हंड्रेड्स और टेंस की प्लेस पे नंबर सेम है तो हम वंस की प्लेस पे देखेंगे. वंस की प्लेस पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 8 है और राइट हैंड साइड पे 2 है तो 8 2 से बड़ा होता है. सो 358 इज़ ग्रेटर दैन 352. 5. When all the digits of the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal. जब दोनों साइड 3 डिजिट सेम होते हैं तो हम इक्वल टू साइन लगाते हैं. कंपेयर 241 and 241. So here at the hundreds, tens and ones place numbers are same. So 241 is equal to 241. Exercise 2.4 question number 2. Put greater than, less than or equal to sign in the blank box. Let's start. 146 and 86. On left hand side there is 3 digit number and on right hand side there is 2 digit number. So 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. So we will put here greater than sign. Next 118 and 118. Here on the both sides numbers are same. So we will put equal to sign. Next 181, 187. Here at the hundreds and tens place numbers are same. So we will see the ones place. Here on left hand side there is 1 and on right hand side there is 7. So we will put less than sign because 181 is less than 187. Next 285 and 205. Here at the hundreds place numbers are same. So we will see the tens place. On left hand side there is 8 and on right hand side there is 0. So 8 is greater than 0. So we will put here greater than sign because 285 is greater than 205. Next 676 and 677. Here at the hundreds and tens place numbers are same. So we will see the ones place. Here on left hand side there is 6 and on right hand side there is 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So we will put here less than sign because 676 is less than 677. Next 306 and 309. Here at the hundreds and tens place numbers are same. So we will see that ones place. On left hand side there is 6 and on right hand side there is 9. So 9 is greater than 6. Here we will put less than sign because 306 is less than 309. Now rest exercise you have to do by yourself. Question number 1. Circle the number that is smallest and make a square around the largest number in each row. Now observe carefully first row and see the largest and smallest number. Here the smallest number is 116. So we will circle it, and the largest number is 465. So we will put a square around the 465. Observe the second row. Here the smallest number is 100. So we will circle 100, and the largest number is 916. So we will make a square around 916. Third row. The smallest number is 125. So we will circle it, and the largest number is 562. So we will make a square around 562. Next, the smallest number is 123. So we will circle it, and the largest number is 999. So we will make a square around the 999. Next, the smallest number is 506. So we will circle it, and the largest number is 650. So we will make a square around 650. Next, the smallest number is 168. So we will circle it, and the largest number is 861. So we will make a square around the 861. Now students, you have to practice the same at home, and next part of this exercise we will discuss in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.